Okay. Yesterday I have completed all the derivation. Okay, yesterday I have completed with all the derivations. Now what is remaining? The problems are remaining. So today what we'll do, 2-3 simple problems upon this compressors. Okay, now what is here? You can see the problem statement. What is given? 1 kg of air is compressed from 1 bar and 16 degrees Celsius to 5.3 bar according to the following processes. First process is adiabatic, second is isothermal. Now what I should do? Compare the what is given next. Compare the work done for compression in both the processes and we find the heat transfer. Now what is the first step? The first step is to draw the PV diagram. What is the PV diagram? See here, I am not considering the clearance volume over here. See, unless and until it is mentioned in the question to consider the clearance volume, we will take the general case. Now what is process 1 to 2? Process 1 to 2, it is what? Adiabatic process. So we begin with the what? We should begin with the PV diagram. Now 1 to 2 is which process? Adiabatic. Second is 2 to 2 dash will be what? Isothermal process. 2 to 3 is again constant pressure process. 3 to 4 is constant volume process, and 4 to 1 will be again constant volume process. So not constant pressure process. So what is given? Given mass is given, pressure P1 is given, T1 is given. Take the T1 in Kelvins. So I shall add 273. P2 is given 5.3 bar. Now what is case 1? Case 1 is to calculate the adiabatic pressure. In adiabatic process I calculate the work done. So now see, for adiabatic process what area I should take? Area from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. This area I should take. Okay. If I am considering process as isothermal, what area I should take? I should take the area of 1 to 2 dash, 2 dash to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. Now see, what is the formula for work done in adiabatic processes? It will be gamma upon gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 into P2 P1 raised to gamma minus 1 upon gamma minus 1. Suppose the process was, if the process was polytropic, I should take here what? N. What will be changing? Only this adiabatic index will be changed. Now we know that PV is equal to MRT. So I will substitute P1 is equal to MRT1. What is M? M is since mass is given in the question. Temperature is given in the question. I will take P1 is equal to MRT1. So gamma upon gamma minus 1, I have substituted the value of gamma. I will take for air gamma as 1.4. Since it is air, in the question air is given, so gamma will be 1.4. What's pressure? P2 5.3 bars. See, both the pressures are in bar, so you keep in bar only. So after substituting, what will get? Work done is equal to 177.2 kilojoules. Now see, which process it is? Adiabatic process. Means what? Isentropic. Heat transfer will be 0. So Q122 will be 0 for this first process. What is the next process? Next process is when the process is isothermal. What area I should consider? I should consider the area, this area, 1 2 dash, this area I should consider. What is that? isothermal process में वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? P1 V1 नेचुरल लगा देते हैं P2 P1. P1 V1 क्या है हमारा? MRT1 है. तो MRT1 ln of P2 P1. If I substitute, I'll get W122 as 138.33 kilojoules. So what is the heat transfer? See, in isothermal, what is the formula? What is first law of thermodynamics? dQ is equals to, according to first law of thermodynamics, dQ, that is amount of heat supplied, is equals to what? Work done plus change in internal energy. What is change in internal energy? E122 is equals to mCV T2 minus T1. Since it is isothermal, this becomes 0. So what is remaining? Q122 is equals to W122. So I will get what? Q122 is equals to 138.32 kilojoules. Okay, so the first problem. What will do in the second problem? The second problem, an air compressor receives air at 1 bar and 14 degrees Celsius. Delivers at 8 bar. Means what? P1 is given, T1 is given, P2 is given and 140 degrees Celsius is your T2. Assuming that the compression follows a law, PV raised is equals to constant. Now see, what is PV raised is equals to constant? PV raised is equals to constant means which process? Polytropic process. Okay. The compression is PV raised is equals to constant. And ignoring the temperature changes during the admission and delivery, calculate the value of N. What they have asked? They have asked us to calculate the value of adiabatic index N. Now how to proceed? See here. What is the hint given? Hint given is PV raised is equals to constant. This is polytropic process. We know that temperature relation in polytropic process. What is that? T2 by T1 is equals to what? P2 P1 raised to N minus 1 upon N. Yes. See, we know that we have T2 value, we have T1 value, we have P2 P1 value. Substitute these values. Now what is T2? 413. What is that? 40 degrees Celsius, nothing but 27 Kelvin. And T2 is 140 degrees Celsius, nothing but 413 Kelvins. So P2 will be what? 413. T2 will be 413 upon 287. Equals to P2. What is P2? 8 bars. P1 is 1 bar raised to N minus 1 upon N. If I calculate this, what I will get? I will get this value as 1.439 equals to 8 by 1 is 8 N minus 1 upon N. अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, मुझे क्या चाहिए? N का वैल्यू चाहिए. if I want to bring this n minus 1 upon n down, what I should do? I should multiply by natural logarithm, that is log to the base e on both the sides. Okay, that is ln in your calculators. Ln press, should press ln. If I substitute, if I multiply ln on both the sides, what will get? Ln of 1.439 is equals to ln of 8 into this will come down, n minus 1 upon n. Now see how I can write this n minus 1 upon n. 1 minus 1 upon n will be, okay. See, what we'll do now, 1 minus 1 upon n is equals to what? Ln of 1.439 upon ln of 8. If I substitute this, if I calculate this in calculator, what will get the value as 0.175. Okay, what will be 1 upon n? ये यहाँ जाता है इक्वलिटी के बाजू में, so it will become plus, so this will go this side, so it will become negative. So 1 minus 0.5 will be what? 1 minus 0.15 is 1 upon 0.82. So it will be n will be 1 upon 0.82. So 1 upon 0.85 is equals to 1.21. This is the value of your n. Okay, now third problem, what we'll do is, okay, see here, what is given in the question? C. An ideal compressor has displacement value as 14 liters. What is given? 14 liter is given. What is that? That is displacement value. Displacement volume is given as Vs. Okay, we can tell also as swept volume or displacement volume Vs. How much? 14 liters. And a clearance volume of 0.7 liter. It receives air at 100 kilopascals. 100 kilopascal means how many bars? 1 bar. And discharge it means P2 is given 500 kilopascal. The compression is polytropic process. Okay, with n is equals to 1.3 and expansion is isentropic. That is equal to, what is the value of isentropic index? Adiabatic index m, it is given as 1.4. Determine net cycle work and calculate the error if value of if m is equals to n. See, in this problem there are how many cases? There are 2 cases. What is the first case? First case is calculate the net cycle work. Second case is to calculate the next is to calculate the error. There are 2 cases. Okay, now see, first, what is the first step? The first step is to draw the PV diagram. See here, in this diagram I should calculate I should consider clearance volume. Why? Because it is given in the question. Clearance volume is already given, so I should consider what? I should consider the clearance volume. So this is my PV diagram. How it looks like? See, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. From 3, this gap from this x. Okay, see what is given. This gap indicates what? This gap indicates the clearance volume. See here, this gap from V3 is nothing but your Vc clearance volume, and this gap represents what? Swept volume. What is swept volume now? V1 minus V3. See here, see this diagram. This area, no, from this point to this point is nothing but Vs or swept volume or displacement volume. That is nothing but V1 minus V3 है. अभी Vc कितना है हमारा? क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम दिया है क्वेश्चन में. अभी देखो ग्राफ में अगर हम देखेंगे तो Vc कितना होगा? V3 के इक्वल होगा. सी द ग्राफ, यहाँ पे Vc कितना हुआ? V3 हुआ, और यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या हुआ? ये टोटल एरिया V1 माइनस V3 हुआ. अभी हमें लिखा है, देखो यहाँ पे V1 माइनस V3 इज नथिंग बट स्वेप्ट वॉल्यूम Vs एंड V3 इक्वल्स टू Vs फ्रॉम व्हाट? फ्रॉम दिस PV डायग्राम. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? डिस्प्लेसमेंट वॉल्यूम है, Vs कितना है? 14 लीटर है. अभी फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है हमारा? आई शुड कन्वर्ट दिस लीटर इनटू मीटर क्यूब. व्हाट इज द कन्वर्जन फैक्टर? 1 लीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 1000 मीटर क्यूब और 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब है. अभी कन्वर्ट करो. V1 माइनस V3 कितना है? So V minus V3 is 14 liters. So there is be 14 into 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब. Vc कितना है? Vc 0.7 into 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब दिया है क्वेश्चन में. अभी देखो P1 दिया है 100 किलो पास्कल, P2 दिया है 500 किलो पास्कल, n का वैल्यू है 1.3 और m का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.4 है. अभी देखो व्हाट इज केस 1. आई शुड कैलकुलेट द नेट वर्क कंसिडरिंग बोथ द प्रोसेसेस, दैट इज पॉलीट्रोपिक प्रोसेस भी लेना है, आइसोट्रोपिक प्रोसेस भी लेना है. देखो V1 माइनस V3 कितना है? 0.014 मीटर क्यूब है, एंड फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन यू नो दैट V3 इज 0.0007 मीटर क्यूब. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई वांट द वैल्यू ऑफ V1. So now what will be V1? V1 equal to what? 0.014 plus 0.0007. So V1 कितना आएगा? 0.014 मीटर क्यूब आया. अभी देखो what is 4 to 3 कौन सा प्रोसेस है? 4 to 3 कौन सा है? आइसेंट्रोपिक प्रोसेस है. उसका पीवी रिलेशन क्या है? देखो P1 बाई P2 इज इक्वल्स टू V2 बाई V1 रेज़ टू गामा है. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? V4 कैलकुलेट करना है. तो P3 बाई P4 क्या होगा? V4 बाई V3. आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम आर रिवर्सली. Okay, see here we know that pressure and volume inverse vary. What they are, how they are varying? They are varying inversely 1 upon V. अगर प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो वॉल्यूम हमेशा डिक्रीज होता है. हाँ देखो P1 बाई P2 इज इक्वल्स टू V2 बाई V1. हमें क्या चाहिए? P3 बाई P4 इज इक्वल्स टू V4 बाई V3 रेज़ टू गामा. ना ऑल पी थ्री बाई पी फोर सिर्फ हमको चाहिए V4, सो ये गामा जो है इधर इस साइड आएगा, एक ऑन दी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू साइन, इट विल बी व्हाट P3 by P4 raised to 1 upon gamma equals to V4 by V3. So what will be V4? V4 is equals to P3 by P4 raised to 1 upon gamma into V4. अभी देखो हमको पता है ना P3 क्या है, PT है. See on the what to say PV diagram, P3 is equals to P2, the straight line, and P1 is equals to P4. Okay, now if I substitute, what will get? P3 कितना है, P2 है, P2 का वैल्यू कितना है 500 है, P4 क्या है, P1 है, इट इज़ 100. So what will be what? Raised to 1 upon 1.4 into 0.0007. So what will be V4? V4 is 0.0022 meter cube. I get the value of V4. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए, वर्क डन चाहिए. What is the formula for work done? नेट वर्क है ये. What will be, what should the area? The area will be 1 to 2 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. This area I should consider for work done. So what will be, what is the formula? N upon n minus 1 into P1 V1. So n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1, P2 by P1 upon n minus 1 upon n minus 1 माइनस, अभी देखो ए प्रोसेस कौन सा था हमारा, पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस था, दैट कंप्रेशन पॉलीट्रॉपिक में हो रहा था और एक्सपांशन किस में हो रहा है, आइसेंट्रोपिक में हो रहा है. तो एडियाबैटिक इंडेक्स क्वेश्चन में क्या दिए है, यम, they have given adiabatic index gamma as yam. Okay, only this notation has been changed. Yam upon m minus 1 into P4. प्रोसेस कौन सा है, वो प्रोसेस 4 to 3 है, इसलिए P4 V4 P3 P4 raised to m minus 1 upon m minus 1. ओके, आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग व्हाट इज n 1.3 है, n माइनस 1 कितना आएगा 0.3 होगा, P1 100 है, V1 हम कैलकुलेट किए 0.0147 मीटर क्यूब, P2 बाई P1 m 1 अपॉन n माइनस 1 माइनस यम का वैल्यू कितना है 1.4 है, 1.4 अपॉन 0.4 इंटू 100, V4 0.0022 मीटर क्यूब, 500/100 सेम है. अब देखो कैलकुलेट करने के बाद में देखो इसका वैल्यू, इस ब्रैकेट का वैल्यू कितना आया 6.37 आया, इसका कितना आया 0.449 आया, एक वैल्यू हुआ माइनस, ये माइनस एज इट इज़ रखो. अभी देखो इसका कैलकुलेट करने में कितना आया हमको 0.77 आया, इस ब्रैकेट का वैल्यू कितना है 0.53. सो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग व्हाट विल गेट नेट W cycle, net work of cycle is 2.41 kilojoules. This is my first case. और सेकेंड केस में क्या बोले हमको, यम इज इक्वल्स टू n करके बोले, इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग यम इक्वल्स टू n. ओके, नाउ व्हाट शुड कैलकुलेट, फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ V4 चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि हम यम को n सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं, बोले तो क्या चेंज होता है, n का वैल्यू चेंज हुआ. सो विल बी दैट V4 by V3 तो P4 by P3 रेस्ट 1 upon n, तो V4 कितना होगा V3 इंटू P3 by P4. अभी n का वैल्यू कितना आया, देखो n का वैल्यू 1.3 आया, तो कितना हुआ V4 0.0024 मीटर क्यूब इज योर V4. नाउ अभी V4 चेंज हुआ तो ऑब्वियसली तुम्हारा V1 चेंज होगा क्योंकि V1 माइनस V4 कितना है 0.0147 है. सो व्हाट विल बी V1 माइनस V4 विल बी व्हाट 0.0133 मीटर क्यूब. दिस इज योर V1 माइनस V4. Now I should consider the net work done. What is the formula for net work done? Considering both the processes, n upon n minus 1 हुआ, P1 V1 हुआ, P2 P1 n minus 1 upon n minus 1 माइनस. अभी देखो फर्स्ट केस में क्या था, यहाँ पे एडियाबैटिक इंडेक्स कंसिडर कर रहे थे हम, दैट वाज यम. देखो यहाँ पर कंसिडरिंग सी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, यहाँ पे यम था. नाउ व्हाट द सेकेंड केस में क्या बोले थे, यम को n से रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं, तो इट विल बी n क्या हो, अभी देखो n अपन n माइनस 1 P4 V4, अभी P1 इज इक्वल्स टू P4 ही है, सो P4 V4 P3 by P4 n माइनस 1 अपन n माइनस 1. अभी देखो वी नो दैट P4 इज इक्वल्स टू P1 एंड P3 इज इक्वल्स टू P2, और हमको